Are you ready to unlock the secrets of earning money online? After a decade of searching, I've finally uncovered the simplest way to use Google and its free apps to make money from anywhere in the world. You can make $240 to $300 per hour. In this tutorial, I'll reveal how you can replicate this success and start your journey toward financial freedom today. Remember, many viewers won't finish this video, so you don't need to worry about competition. Most are easily distracted and won't put in the effort needed to build an online business. I'm addressing the 1% who are committed to watching until the end and willing to work hard to make money online. Step 1. Explore Google products. Google is an incredibly powerful search engine, processing over 8.5 billion searches daily. This vast reach presents numerous opportunities for online income. For instance, Google AdSense paid out over $10 billion to users last year. With the right strategies, you can generate free traffic and earn money through affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or running a business, all without spending on ads. Go to Google and search for its products. Visit about.google.com/browse to find tools like Google Forms, Google Scholar, and Google Alerts. Step 2. Sign up for affiliate programs. Sign up for travelpayouts.com, an affiliate program for travel-related offers. Click Start Earning More today. Create an account, select products to promote, like trip.com and booking.com, and choose My Channel is not a website. Step 3. Select a profitable niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial. Higher CPM, cost per meal, means more revenue per 1,000 ad impressions. The software niche is particularly lucrative, with some earning up to $100 per 1,000 views due to recurring revenue models. Step 4. Find affiliate programs. Find software companies and AI tools to promote as an affiliate. Use Google Scholar or Future Tools to research popular AI tools and locate their affiliate programs, typically found at the bottom of their websites. Step 5. Join an online business community. Join an online business community at school.com/OBF or similar links. Access tools and resources, including an affiliate marketing starter blueprint that includes a Notion template for organizing your affiliate links. Step 6. Choose a promotion platform. Choose one platform for promoting your affiliate links. Options include Pinterest, YouTube, or blogging. For example, create engaging pins on Pinterest or write reviews on YouTube. Step 7. Create valuable content. Create valuable content that addresses your audience's problems. This could be guides or tutorials on using the software you promote. Share your content on social media and engage with relevant online communities to build an audience. Step 8. Track performance. Track your performance by monitoring which affiliate links are clicked and which content performs best. Use analytics tools from affiliate programs to optimize your strategy. Step 9. Utilize Medium for recurring commissions. You can earn recurring commissions by publishing your blog article on Medium. Once you're ready, click Publish, add relevant keywords, and go live. Utilize Google Translate to translate your articles into various languages, expanding your reach beyond the English market. Step 10. Promote articles via Pinterest next. Copy the link to your Medium article and use Pinterest for traffic. In a document from your free community titled Pinterest Affiliate Marketing Starter Blueprint, follow the instructions to create a Pinterest account. Use a prompt from Google Docs to generate name ideas for your account. Edit your profile using Tube AI as your name, and paste the suggested bio, adjusting it as necessary. In the website section, add either your affiliate links or your Medium article link. Create a logo on Canva, download it as a PNG, and upload it to your Pinterest profile. Return to Medium, copy the link to your published article, and go back to Pinterest to create a new pin. Search for a Pinterest pin template on Canva, customize it with YouTube-related images, and add your article title, such as How to Grow on YouTube with AI. Download the pin and upload it to Pinterest, including your Medium link. This process promotes your Medium articles while driving traffic to your affiliate links, helping grow your Medium profile for more organic traffic from Google. Step 11. Design a community Google form. Next, create a Google form titled Community using prepared questions. Copy and paste the questions into the form, then shorten the link for sharing. This form allows users to submit their answers, which will be important later. Step 12. Consider faceless YouTube automation. For free traffic, consider faceless YouTube automation. Channels can earn hundreds of dollars daily without posting new content. You can create a channel focused on software and AI tools, similar to others that utilize AI voices and do not show faces. This strategy can effectively drive traffic to your promoted links. Step 13. Generate community name. Start by opening ChatGPT and using the provided prompt to generate a name for your school community. This name can also align with your Pinterest account or YouTube channel. Next, explore existing communities on the platform, like those focused on perfumes, chess, or tattoos. You can create your community from scratch, paste the name, and begin a 14-day trial. Step 14. Update community description, logo, profile. Picture in the settings. Update the community description by pasting the prompt into ChatGPT and crafting a brief description. You only need the first sentence for this. For your profile picture, use Canva to find logo templates, customize them with your initials, and adjust colors to appeal to your audience. Download your design as a PNG. Next, go to your school community settings to upload your logo and cover image. The classroom section is crucial for engagement. It can generate significant revenue, as it does for me, $36,000 monthly. Create a Start Here course and add various classes using prompts from ChatGPT. Step 15. Design class covers. Design covers for these classes in Canva, using appropriate headings and emojis for visual appeal. For each course, generate detailed content with ChatGPT, which you can copy and paste into your classroom, including affiliate links for potential earnings. Step 16. Create a welcome post. Don't forget to create a welcome post for newcomers, guiding them to the classroom. Pin this post for easy access. You can also drive traffic to your community through faceless YouTube channels by promoting affiliate links related to travel via platforms like travelpayout.com. To sum up, using Google's free apps and combining affiliate marketing strategies can be a powerful way to earn money online. By selecting the right niche, creating valuable content, and using platforms like Pinterest, Medium, and faceless YouTube channels, you can drive traffic to your affiliate links and grow your online presence. With consistent effort, tracking your performance, and engaging with communities, you'll be on your way to generating a sustainable income. Now, it's time to take action and start building your success. Now I'm curious to know, what strategies are you most excited to try out for earning money online using Google's free tools? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips on boosting your online income. Thanks for tuning in.